Welcome to my channel. This time I'm going to build a cheeky bottle rack. The rack is easy to build and consists of only 3 pieces. It is perfect for wine and whiskey bottles, but it can of course also be used for other types of bottles. I use oak for my bottle rack, but you can use any type of wood. I start by cutting out the figure that will be placed at the front of the bottle holder. Once the figure is cut out, I drill a hole that is 35 millimeters in diameter according to the drawing. Then I sand away the roughest irregularities with a belt sander and the rest by hand. When the figure is finished, I cut the bottom plate to 27 by 11 centimeters and the back piece to 10.5 by 6 centimeters. I remove the sharp edges on the top of the bottom plate. Then I sand the entire plate by hand. I make a temporary jig and drill a semicircle in the back piece that is 90 millimeters. Then I glue the back piece to the bottom plate. To make sure the back piece is straight, I use a square to hold the back piece against. To make sure the back piece is securely attached, I also attach it with 2 screws from underneath. I continue by gluing the figure to the bottom plate. At this point, I also use a square to ensure that the figure is glued straight to the bottom plate. I also attach the figure with 2 screws from below. Here it feels more important to use screws because the figure is taller and the glue surface is significantly smaller. This time I'm using epoxy as a varnish. It gives an even and shiny surface and is also very durable. Here is the final result. I am happy with both the design and the paint. And this is what it looks like with a bottle. Pretty funny.